Hey guys, Jessica Amber here with South Bay Ford Lincoln. Today I have the 2021 Lincoln Navigator L with the monochromatic package. This guy has the beautiful LED lights, awesome 22-inch monochromatic wheels, so those guys are going to be black for you. It does have running boards that'll come out when I open it for you. Just a second. I wanted you guys to look at the detailed paint. I don't know if you could see that sparkly white in it on camera. Then of course your Lincoln back, that light's gonna look so beautiful at night when it's lit up. So right away you're gonna notice on the door panel, guys, upgraded sound system, great Rebel sound system. We also have all of our seating controls. I hope you did see that the running boards came right out as soon as I opened the door. And let's hop aboard. Okay, now we are inside of our Lincoln Navigator. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and adjust the seat so that my feet can reach the pedals. And I'm going to hit the start button, put my foot on the brake. I'm gonna turn the car fully on. And we have a beautiful display. Now, one of the really nice features about this car, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but straight ahead where we're looking right at that F-150 there's a heads-up display right on our windshield. So that's gonna give you the speedometer. It looks really cool when you're driving, especially at night. Now I'm gonna put my seatbelt on and let's check out a few features here. So if you look here, these are our shifters here, our piano key shifters. So that's where we're gonna go ahead and shift into gear when we take a ride. Most importantly, our cameras. We do have cameras in the front and in the back, so I just want to give you a little view of that. This is a pretty large vehicle, so you're going to want to be able to see all around you as you're pulling out of your parking spot. Of course, we have heated and ventilated seats in this beautiful vehicle. Our wireless charger right in there. There's even a pocket right here where you can set your phone so that you can look at it safely as you're driving. Right over here, we're gonna have all of our controls, mainly our drive modes. So since we are gonna take this guy out for a drive, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the drive mode. So we have normal, which is what you would do your everyday driving in. We have slippery for when you're on a trip or it's raining out. Deep conditions for some heavy snow or mud. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into Excite, which is my favorite mode. It's sport mode. Getting my seat adjusted. Now real quick, right before we take off, I am going to show you guys my absolute favorite feature about this Lincoln Navigator. So if you go right on over to the seats, you can hit the massage on it and voila, you're getting a massage as you drive. Let's take flight, guys. So I'm going to shift into drive. Checking out all of our Lincolns and Fords we have here. Beautiful dealership on the palm trees, and we picked a great day for a drive because the sun is out blazing. So this guy is just coasting beautifully right now. I mean, it's so smooth, like you can actually feel yourself on the wheels. Like the tires run so smooth on the ground, no bumps. Even the turning radius, not bad, guys, for a really large vehicle. Like I said, steering wheel so smooth. The leather is really soft on this. There we go. We also see our turning signal right on our heads-up display. And let's hop on the street. You hear that engine? That's those twin turbos. And look, I gotta stop swiftly. No problems, no jerking, very smooth. I really love the way this steering wheel just turns so smoothly. Guys, this makes a great family car. While we're at a little stop here, I want you guys to take a look at that huge panoramic sunroof. And we've even got leather captain's chairs with a pass-through here. I mean, everybody would be so comfortable, whether children or adults. There's so much room in here. Another great thing about the Lincoln Navigator is the cabin is really quiet, and Lincoln does that on purpose. They really like you to have like a serene feel as you're driving. They want you to block out the outside. Your engine is taking care of everything for you, but inside you really feel just your music. If you want to just have peace and quiet, you can enjoy that as well. You're really blocking out the outdoor noise. This is really a classic SUV that you can purchase and own for many years. It has all of the features that you would want. It's got a great powerful engine. I mean, it would be beautiful taking it to the snow. You could pack all the kids. I mean, your kids could really grow in this vehicle with you. I really hope you guys can see that heads-up display there showing us our speedometer. I mean, this is such a great vehicle, guys. I'm really only 5 feet. I am not that large of a person, and this is so easy for me to manage and handle. I'm having so much fun driving this right now. I can't get over how quiet the cabin is. I mean, it's so peaceful right now. It's really just you and the road. Taking a look at some of the features. Here your lights are. You'll be able to open your trunk from there. All of your lock and your window controls are going to be here. Take a look at how many seating situations you can do here. You have 3 memory seatings, but I mean, you can adjust to the 9s with this. It's got the massage vibration button right over here. I myself like to access it on the screen. One thing I do notice about driving this very large SUV, the sides have a very sleek design. That's Lincoln, I think, kind of particularly does that, and it does feel like you're very easily within the lines. You're not going over onto anybody, so you don't really feel the width of it. It's very easy to drive, very manageable as well. Now, can you guys see that blind spot right over in that passenger mirror there? I'm gonna get over while my blind spot is telling me there is no one in my way. And here we are back at South Bay Ford. I'm gonna wrap you guys right around in here. Beautiful day on the lot here. That up so you can see how beautiful the wood grain is. Alright, here we go. Pulling back into our lot now. And I'm gonna wrap you guys right around back on up to the top of our lot. Now, as you can see, we've got quite a few cars here. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it around. And as you can see, again, that steering wheel is just gliding. Put it in reverse. Check out our camera here. Super easy to back up when you can see what you're doing. Again, that steering wheel just rolling right back around with me. Alright guys, thank you for taking a ride with me. I'm going to go ahead and turn off our Lincoln Navigator now. It is going to tell us to check the rear for occupants. Just a safety feature. Real quick, I'm going to give you guys a little swivel of the back area here. Loads of features for the kids in the back. We're going to close our shade up. Nice long panoramic. It's really gorgeous when it's open all the way. just give you a quick look at how it is in dark mode, as I call it. Alright guys, that concludes our drive for today in the 2021 Lincoln Navigator. And here's a final look. I'm Jessica Amber with South Bay Ford Lincoln. Thanks for watching.